Well, if you love big whips and you never get sick of nose wheelie clips, then I have got a present for you. It's a video blog from Mr. BQ. Do yourself a favor and tune into his YouTube.
And look what we have here. It's a beautiful day. Let's wake the sleeping beauty up. Riley. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey. Riley. 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 Hey. Riley. Riley. She don't want no part of it. She's like a limp noodle. This is what takes the longest getting ready to go ride. Picking out the clothes that our little girl is going to wear. How many outfits did you buy riding this week?
You'll see when the mail comes.
You got so many clothes. Ready to go? You ready to go riding? Let's go burn some dirt up. You can't go riding without Chick-fil-A first.
Hey.
You're what? You're picking your nose? I mean chicken minis. We have arrived. I hope Muddy Waters is not very muddy today because I don't like mud. We got the home team here. Riley, you gonna burn some laps or what? This track looks sick. I've never been here before, but it looks like fun. Got the lit kit on. What? But never fails. Duct tape is where it's at. Never fails. Woo! Two-stroke power, baby. Tristan, do a wheelie. Come on, Brett, do a nose wheelie. Come on, nose wheelie. Hey, Tristan, do a wheelie. Come on. Oh, fakey. Come on, you got it. I told you I was probably gonna crash. I did.
You told me that, yeah.
Oh, that hurt. Ow.
You're all good though. You live to do another nose wheelie.
Barely.
Oh, what'd you do to your mouth?
Bleeding a little bit.
How many I did with my mouth?
Yeah, Brad. Woo! Yeah! Do a wheelie! Yeah!
18 miles left to LE. Wish us the best. At least I didn't run out on the highway. See what little amount of gas I got left in my can. Whoops. Why didn't I go in? I don't get it. I put it through there. I don't know why it's. I don't know if there's two flappers or what. But that sucks. Now what? Finally made it to a gas station.
Will cost more up front, but you'll probably get a brighter, more noticeable light that may never burn out.
But how long has it been since you've seen a regular Walmart? Welcome to the 90s. Am I getting honked at for real?
Are you?
I don't know, it might be.
I don't think so.
Time to wash this dirty old thing. Riley, you ready to wash it for me? Oh, Dad, I slept all the way home. I don't want to wash it. Got the sun in your eyes, girl. Riley, you get entertainment out of everything, huh? You're the happiest little girl I ever seen. Hey, cool socks, bro. Cool. Riley, you ready to go wash the bike? Oh, let's get it. Wait. Mom doesn't want to be on film, but looks like she's got gray hair right here. But she doesn't.
Don't.
Tighten in a bowl with a T-handle, one-handed. It's not that fun. All ready for tomorrow. Just gotta get some brake pads off Brooke's bike. Luckily, the same rear brake pads that fit the 150, fit the 450, and Brooke ain't riding tomorrow. Got the bike all clean from today. Gonna go ride at the St. Jude Ride Day at Sunset Ridge tomorrow. It's gonna be sweet. The nightcap. Got the beef stroganoff. Insta360 uploading to my phone. Had to steal Brooks going for this. Riley's eating. Life is good. Riley got blueberries all over your face. You ready to go get some ice cream? Hey, I already changed you. You don't need another diaper. Best ice cream ever. It's usually got a line all the way out the door. We got here at a good time. We're here at Dairy House. What's up, man?
All right, what can I get started for you?
Dude, come on. You already know.
Of course, you get a double butter pecan and a waffle cone. Come here like every day.
Bingo. She just put down 8 ounces. Now it's snuggle time. I never thought I would love sitting on the couch so much, but she makes it all right.